Welcome to Singing Time. Today, we're going to sing a fanfare. Do you know what that word means? That's a musical term that means a big, important announcement. Sometimes fanfares are played by big trumpets, and sometimes we hear about them sung by big choirs of angels. But today, we're going to be the big choir of angels singing about this super important announcement, and we're going to sing it as energetically as if we were a bunch of trumpets. The song is called "The Priesthood is Restored." What a cool announcement for our latter day. This is how it starts. The priesthood is restored. Have you heard this song? That last note hangs on for a long time. We can practice hanging on to it for a really long time. Are you ready? See if you can sing it longer than I can. The priesthood is restored. That's a long time. You could even take a little breath before you say restored and sing it even longer. Let's try. The priesthood is restored. Wow, good job. Okay, so we know that's the important announcement. Here's the question. Why was it made? Pause the video and discuss it with your family. Okay, we're back. Have you been learning in Come Follow Me about how John the Baptist appeared to Oliver Cowdery and Joseph Smith and restored the Aaronic priesthood? Later, Peter, James, and John came and restored the Melchizedek priesthood. What does that word even mean, restored? What do you think? Restored is another way of saying brought back. There was the priesthood, the true priesthood of Christ on the earth when Christ was here. But when all of the apostles died after Christ was resurrected, the true priesthood was taken from the earth when they died. And it needed to be restored by those who had the keys of authority. And Christ gave those keys to John the Baptist and Peter, James, and John. So the truth was restored to man when that happened. And that's our next line of the song, the truth restored to man. Let's sing line 1 and 2 together. The priesthood is restored. The truth made known to man. Great job. I'm so excited that this truth was made known to us. The gospel in its fullness made known to man again in our day. What a cool thing. Okay, it's time for our craft. You may have noticed in our email for Singing Time, in addition to the Singing Time video, there was attached a coloring page of the priesthood restoration. If you didn't get the coloring page in your email, you can just go with a parent onto the internet and Google search Priesthood Restoration Coloring Page. There's a lot of them out there. Pick your favorite and print it off. Okay, so I've got my coloring page, and for this craft, you need the coloring page. You need some crayons. Crayons work amazing. I didn't have crayons, so I used Sharpies. You need something that can get a little messy, like a paper plate. And you need a little bit of cooking oil. Not this much you don't need, just a little tiny bit of cooking oil in a little dish. And a paper towel or a piece of cotton ball or something like that you could dip in the oil. We're going to make our own paper stained glass craft. Okay, so this is what you do. You color your coloring page with your Sharpies or your crayons. See, here's mine all colored. You might notice that mine's a little shiny. The reason why it's shiny is because I took my paper plate, I put my colored page on my paper plate, I dipped my paper towel into my oil, and I gently rubbed the oil all over my paper picture. This is why if you use markers, you have to use Sharpies, or else the ink will just become a mess when it gets wet with the oil. But that's why if you have crayons, crayons work the absolute best because they don't get messy when the oil goes on them. So you rub the oil all over your picture until it's nice and shiny. Isn't that cool? And then to make it stained glass, you just tape it up into a sunny window. It's really, really cool. So here's my picture, and later we'll go tape it to my sunny window and we'll sing the song again. Okay, you ready to get back to the song? Let's sing it from the beginning and carry on to the next line. The priesthood is restored, the truth made known to man, that God has spoken to the earth. Wow, that is a cool truth. God has spoken to the earth. Can you imagine what a cool message that would be if you had never heard the message before? Well, guess what? Lots of your friends haven't heard that message before. They still think that God isn't speaking to the earth anymore and hasn't spoken to the earth for hundreds of years. This is a very cool, important message you can share with them. God does speak to the earth. We can have personal revelation. We do have a living prophet that guides us and directs our other church leaders. We do have Christ's power through the priesthood to serve and bless others. It's amazing. So let's sing the song from the beginning and then right to the very last line of the song. And I'll give you a hint. The last line is about his power being here again. Here we go. The priesthood is restored, the truth made known to man, that God has spoken to the earth. His power is here again. What a great and important message for our fanfare. Okay, are we ready to sing it with our new stained glass paper art? I'll show you mine. I'd love to see pictures of yours. Here I am in my sunny window, and I've just taped my stained glass paper art to my window so I can see the light shining through it. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see it really well, and we're gonna sing the song one more time with your picture and my picture in our sunny windows. The priesthood is restored, the truth made known to man, that God has spoken to the earth. His power is here again. Great job, and thanks for singing this awesome song with me as we celebrate the priesthood being restored back to us. I hope you spend this week in your prayers, thanking Heavenly Father for the wonderful gift of the restoration of the gospel. And I'll see you next week.